Data is the new oil, very valuable yet volatile. When AI depends on data and it fails, things can go very wrong. Artificial intelligence is not immune to mishaps. In real life, AI is behind many blunders, but some mistakes cannot be reversed. First story of February 2024. A grieving grandson, Jake Moffat, who lost his grandmother, was misled by Air Canada's virtual AI assistant. He was advised wrongly on ticket discounts. Jake ended up in a dispute when the airline refused his bereavement fare claim, an error that caused him despair and money. Second story, August 2023. iTutor Group found themselves in trouble after their AI system applied the age factor incorrectly. It rejected job applicants based on their age, a costly mistake that ended in a $365,000 settlement. Yes, even AI can discriminate. Third story is of Microsoft's Tay. When launched in March 2016, this AI chatbot posted over 95,000 tweets which were racist, false prejudice, and discriminating against Jews. A reminder that AI learns from us, for the better or worse problems. Last story today, about Amazon's recruitment AI. Designed to streamline hiring, it favored male candidates, echoing biases toward women embedded in their training data, a project that was scrapped when this prejudice came to light in 2018. These stories are about technological failure, but also about our responsibility. In the AI-driven future, let's ensure that quality of output is in sync with expectations and should never become unreliable. Quality of AI can be verified through auditors and experts. Still, let us be prepared for more AI failures. In software, we say, the new bugs will always crop up. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, please give the video a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content.